Hey, there are four main differences between the Avance 1201C and the Avance 1501C. Probably the most obvious is going to be that the 1201C has 12 needles and 12 colored thread on the machine, where the 1501C has 15. And if you are a commercial embroiderer that's doing a lot of jobs for a lot of different customers, it's very advantageous to have more embroidery colors on the machine than less, so you don't have to switch. The second difference is going to be the embroidery field size. The Avance 1501C has a huge embroidery field size of 14 inches by 22 inches. Now, in its class, it is among the largest, where the 1201C is about 8 by 14 inches in embroidery field size, which is still actually very large for the size machine it is. Now, the third thing is going to be the size of the machines themselves. One of the things that you guys had asked for and that we came through with on the 1201C is the portability. There are a few reasons for that. First of all, the machine itself is only 176 pounds versus the over 350 pounds for the 1501C. And also the 1201C comes with these little feet on the bottom. So it is really designed both to work with the stand and for tabletop use. So if you've got a quarter bedroom or a small retail space and you want to do commercial embroidery, the 1201C might be a good pick. The last difference between the two is the price. Of course, with the 15 needles and the extra large embroidery field, the 1501C is going to be more expensive than the 1201C. So not only will it fit in smaller spaces, it'll fit in a smaller budget. So if you're looking at a commercial embroidery machine, ColDesi is really proud to offer you these two choices. The way to decide is take a look at the field size and see if there's big jacket backs or horse blankets or table runners in the future. That would be the 1501C. Or if you plan on going to a lot of shows or traveling a lot with the embroidery machine, or just have a small space to put your equipment in, then you might want to consider the 1201C. But the best thing that you can do to choose is to talk to one of the pros at ColDesi about the Avance commercial embroidery machines and let them help you walk through it.